Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix printer icon not showing in devices and printers error in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very simple error and I give the simple multiple solution to fix this error. So let's go to our video. First solution is very simple and basics. Go to the start and type services. Click on the services. In services, we find many options. Go to the Print Spooler. Here we find Print Spooler. Right click on it. Click on the properties. In properties, here we find startup type. Change it to the automatic. It is go to the automatic. Always go to the startup type automatic. And service status is stopped. Click on the apply. Now it's go to the start. Click on the start. And here you find service status is running and startup type is automatic. Apply it. Click on OK. Now go to the Print Spooler and click on restart. And close our services and restart your machine. And I hope your problem is solved. If it's not solve your problem, the next option is troubleshoot. Go to the start and type troubleshoot. Troubleshoot settings. Click on troubleshoot settings. In troubleshoot settings, here we find additional troubleshooter. Click on additional troubleshooters. Here we find many options. Here we find printer. Click on printer. Click on run the troubleshooter. Wait for a few seconds and it's detect your problem. If you have any problem with your printer hardware or any other, then it's detect that problem and it's give an error. And if you find that error, then apply fix. If you find that error, then apply fix and apply that process to your printer and it solve your problem. Or it show how to fix that problem. Go to the net and fix that problem. This is our second way. Another way is go to the any web browser and find your printer drivers. Download your printer latest printer driver and install that latest printer driver on your Windows 10 PC or laptop, and it's also solve your problem. I give the many ways to install printer drivers: HP, Epson, Brother, Samsung, and many printers. If your printer has updated drivers, then this also solve your problem. And last solution is check your USB cable and check your printer is properly working, and then after go to the Windows 10 and we can see our printer problem is solved. Printer is showing in devices and printers. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.